Hey guys, it's Miz and it is what it is. I'm back with another video and today we're going to be doing a November playlist because
so baby, tell me where you're low. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where you're low.
the music that I have in here is like explicit. Like my mom knows I listen to it. She listens to it too. So like she can't even like come for me if she's gonna watch this video and be like, well, she listening. Yeah. So mom, you watch it too. You listen to it too. I'm not saying it. I'm just vibing to it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My back hurts. Freak. And I literally played it on repeat yesterday. I'm surprised Nye didn't like try to like fight me or anything because I literally played it like 9 million times yesterday when I was doing my homework. But let's just get on to the song. Just kidding. My friends do that all the time and it makes me cringe, but since they do it, I do it too. I can't dance. I can't. I would have to do it on the regular floor. I'm like, sad because I cannot listen to Trip the same way anymore. It's just like sad to me. Like I'm sad. Like it has to be Jaquise, or whatever. Yeah, I'm not. We're gonna skip because it makes me sad. So yeah, this song is still a bop. Fight me or not. No, I'm kidding. I'm annoyed. Yeah.
She been learning it, and you know you gon' get another turn with it. Hey, that one, she good on the floor. I like the way she take it slow. And she can twerk, I don't doubt that. Nah, but let me see if you can bounce that. Pack of the sneakers, red logo on the pack. Red logo on the pack of the sneakers. So know what I'm vacation. The only one who's got me turned up.
Oh, that's us. You know what I meant. Okay, well, that's it for the video because I just can't find the right song and like it just keeps ending. And rip to my Spotify on my TV because it just keeps crashing. Just can't hang with the party. Can't go as fast as I'm going. But if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And let me know what is your favorite song or what song you listened to in November. And let me know if you want me to do more playlist videos. It was really fun. I actually did some exercise today. That's why I'm out of breath. But I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. So exhausting. I don't think we're ever going to do that again. So we ain't going to do that again. Just kidding. I'm just mad that my TV, like, she shut down.